In the Dominican Republic, motorbikes are the kings of the road. The streets are packed with motorbikes. You see them everywhere, buzzing and weaving through traffic, sometimes carrying entire families and heavy loads. The bikes are a cheaper mode of transportation than cars. Cheaper to buy, cheaper to maintain, and put gas in. And for people outside the city, motorbikes are the best way to navigate the countryside. There's about 3 million of them on the Dominican streets, which is about 56% of the country's total vehicle population. So that's more motorbikes than all of the cars, trucks, buses, and vans combined. Life moves fast on these streets, but there's a surprising calm to the madness. Believe it or not, the Dominican Republic has no strict laws against drinking and driving, yet surprisingly, traffic accidents here are relatively low compared to what you would expect. I guess the locals have an instinctive way of navigating familiar roadways, dodging cars, vendors, and pedestrians with an almost dance-like rhythm, even after they've had a few drinks. The Dominican Republic has a very high poverty rate. Around 40% of Dominicans live below the poverty line. That's why bartering is still a common way of life here, whether it's trading fresh produce with their neighbors or offering services in exchange for goods instead of using cash. Another interesting aspect of life in the Dominican Republic is how people build their houses. There's no such thing as a mortgage here, at least not for the average citizen, and the government here does not collect property taxes, which might sound like a dream to homeowners elsewhere. Instead of a mortgage, families save and build their homes little by little, brick by brick, as they can afford to buy materials and hire labor. In the city and the countryside, we saw lots of unfinished houses, waiting for their next phase of construction. It's not uncommon for homes to take years, even decades to complete. It's often a long and slow process, but the bright side is that when a home is built, it's truly owned, free and clear. Our tour group was a lot of fun. They had one motto: when in doubt, drink it out. We found a toast for every occasion.
I have a toast. Here's to you. Here's to me. If ever we should disagree, here's to me. I love your work. Salud!
We learned just about everything there is to know about cigar making on a trip to a Dominican cigar factory. From the selection of the seeds to the harvesting of the tobacco leaves and the aging process that creates the finest cigar leaves.
And very important, the right pH for tobacco, 6.4%. For marijuana, 6.8. Just a coincidence. We don't have it here, just information. There is.
Cigars can get you very intoxicated, depending on the strength of the leaf inside them. We learned that the top tobacco sleeve is so strong it could send a rookie to the bathroom for a while. Beginners are better off with the middle leaf, which is milder. Smokers who want a little more strength will mix the middle and top leaf for a stronger blend.
Top sleeve is the strongest one. One single plant produces 3 different types. If you want a strong cigar, you need to use mostly top sleeve for a very strong cigar. This cigar can kill a rookie or send a rookie to the bathroom for a while. If you are beginners and then you need a cigar from the middle leaf. Middle leaf is mild, we make the Corona from the middle leaf. If you want something middle, you mix both leaf, 50-50. And this guy, he controls the blend, the young man Harrison. Yeah? He kindly you to Mr. Alex. Look at this, that's his beauty, how he put the outside wrapper. The outside wrapper gives the cigar the beauty, the presence, the color, and very, very important, the final touch of taste. It's a teamwork. He's a genius. Alex making this. He is the GOAT in cigar. You understand? The greatest of all time. Ready? That's it. Not ready. How many cigars they make?
We also got introduced to the DR's national and favorite drink, Mamajuana.
Mamajuana increases the blood circulation. It's our Viagra. But no heart attack. Can everybody drink it? The best gift for your father.
I'd been drinking all day, so there was no reason not to try some marijuana. Like the top sleeve cigars, I found out that rookies need to take it slow with this stuff too. Maybe I should have only had a sip to begin with.